Hey everyone! In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to remove your Microsoft account from Windows 11 and switch to a local account. Let's get started. When you first set up your Windows 11 device, you might have used a Microsoft account. If you now prefer to use a local account instead, here's how to do it. First, click on the Window button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. On the menu, click on Accounts. Here, you'll see that your current account is a Microsoft account. To remove it, you need to switch to a local account. Don't worry, switching to a local account won't delete any of your files or apps. Click on the option that says Sign in with a local account instead. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Click Next. Now enter your PIN to verify your identity. After that, fill in the details for your new local account, username, password, and a hint. Click Next, then choose Sign Out and Finish. You'll now see that your account has been switched to local account. And just like that, your Microsoft account has been removed from your PC. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.